Are you ready for this zigzag jumbo braid tutorial? Oh, let's begin. I want to do the zigzag, so this looks cute already, right? I know. I've just washed my hair. I mean, it would be easier if my hair was dry and all blown out, and you know, that's proper easy, but let's try it the hard way, you know, minimal effort. Zigzag, here we go. How quick can I do this? You're gonna need to slap on that gel. Yeah, cause by all means, do not go easy with this gel. Like, plaster it on. Do not, by all means, I repeat, do not go easy with this gel. You're gonna need it. Okay, now I'm gonna tie it up until it feels like I'm getting a headache, and then I know that it's tight enough. Hold on, this is cute. Little pom-poms, like, hello. Okay, zigzag. It's not bad, is it? I did it right. We'll do the edges as well, don't worry. We get it there, we get it there. It's gonna be long, isn't it? It's gonna be long. I like it, I like it. Let's begin. Okay. Well, this is some multitasking at its best, right? It's just a normal three plait shenanigan. Oh my. Oh wow. Here we go. We're gonna put some shine and jam. Oh, that's a lot. We don't need that much on this to slick it down, because they're all over the place. I put it in my mouth. I put it in my mouth and it's literally all over the place. I'm gonna put some shine and jam on the hair, because oh, it's a bit of an issue. Okay, let's try again. Take 2. I started the plait without the extra hair, about 2 to 3 courses down, and then I added the hair extensions. So I plaited first and then I added, yeah? Well, we gotta start again, haven't we? Just to let you know, I attempted this many times before I've shown you this, but we'll call this take 3, okay? Because it took a while. I promise this is the last time. I didn't loosen this side again. If you ever have a plait that isn't pristine, you know, there is a way to fix it. So don't worry. Trust the process. I will show you how to do it. Rapunzel has done a terrible job. Who knew it would be this hard? Why am I struggling so much? Wow, it's terrible, isn't it? It's really bad. Breeze, much better down here.
Yeah, the joining is horrendous, isn't it? You know what? I'm gonna go with the messy plait. Start again. Oh.
Let's attempt the other side. This is turning out to be, wow, way more difficult than I ever anticipated. Who knew? Just a simple jumbo plait was quite technical. What am I missing? Smaller braids are so much easier. I did
Knotless braids in another video. Have a look. And I found them so much easier. I can't believe I'm struggling like this. It's like another language. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Got it.
to make life easier for myself, I only started with 2 pieces of the hair extensions. I didn't section it into 3, and then I added another piece as I went down. My hair dries so quick with no products. It's quite ridiculous. And then the plait is no longer, pristine because I've got some dry edges. So add shine and jam, seriously. Plaster it down so we can have some neat plaits. The gel really does help to keep the frizz away and just keeps the braids in for longer. It's pretty neat and tidy, and it's easy to manage. Like, it can be quite fiddly without using gel, like adding extra as you go down the plait. Once you've plaited all the way down to the end, I would say go as far down as you possibly can, because it will loosen obviously, but it really helps to then dip the hair in hot water. This works a treat. It makes it so good. Obviously don't dip your hair in hot water, you don't want heat damage, but the extension is perfectly fine to dip in hot water. Then you want to put foam over or mousse, to seal it all in. I would put it on your head, on the plaits. It just helps it, seals the moisture in, and you're good to go. It's all ready for you to continue. It makes it neater. It helps with laying those strays down. You know what I mean. Fact, my braiding, that actually looks, I don't know, better, tighter than the other side. Should have done it looser. It looks not as thick, does it? I'll sort it out, don't worry. Almost there. I've got them. 3. Loosen it up a bit. Too tight, this one. Just can actually loosen it a bit, slightly tug at them, and they can make a thicker braid. You'd think I didn't use the same amount, but yeah, it's totally different. Oh, come on. What you like. Here you go. Then I'm even gonna cut it actually, so it's the same length at least. Much better. I absolutely love these plaits. These jumbo zigzag plaits, I'm loving them. I wanted to put on every outfit I had just to see how it looked. Oh, I loved them so much. They came out way better than I anticipated, than I thought. I'm shook. Yeah, I need to do these more often. And they weren't heavy because it was just 2 plaits. It didn't feel like, you have so many braids, like when you have all the braids, box braids, it can be really heavy, and at night the headache, it takes a few days for you to get used to them. But this already, I didn't feel like it was too heavy. It didn't feel like it was pulling on my hair. It was great. I honestly love these plaits. Easy, versatile. Yeah, they were pleasant and no headache. Perfect for me. Dress, black boots. I added a black overcoat, shawl, like Wednesday from the Addams Family. I'm trying to look like her, but I've got to be more serious and have that persona. It's just a black dress, plain black dress with some boots. Which outfit would you pick? I do like this one actually. It's great for the winter. Christmas coming up, you can definitely try these outfits and look a bit more summery. I got a blue and yellow dress, a yellow jacket with some elegant open toe heels, ready for Christmas dinner. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment which outfit is the best, and
tell me, do you have any tips on how you do your box braids? Well, your jumbo box braids in particular. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.